مرحباً.
Welcome to my channel, Learn with Safaa. Today, we're going to learn some sentences from the lesson
طعامي الصحي.
My Healthy Food. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hi, I want to learn some Arabic words related to food, exercise, and personal hygiene. Can you help me?
Sure. Let's first start with some food-related words.
Interesting.
طعام.
Food. Let's repeat.
طعام.
Food.
آكل طعاماً صحياً.
I eat healthy food. Let's repeat.
آكل طعاماً صحياً.
I eat healthy food.
الطعام الصحي يجعلني إنساناً قوياً.
Healthy food makes me a strong person. Let's repeat.
الطعام الصحي يجعلني إنساناً قوياً.
I know, apple is tuffaha in Arabic. But how to say, the girl likes eating apples in Arabic?
الفتاة تحب أكل التفاح.
The girl likes eating apples. Let's repeat.
الفتاة تحب أكل التفاح.
Let's learn the next word. A meal in Arabic is
وجبة.
fast food is.
وجبة سريعة.
Let's repeat them again.
وجبة.
Meal.
وجبة سريعة.
Fast food.
هناك العديد من الخيارات للوجبات السريعة.
There are many options for fast food. Let's repeat.
هناك العديد من الخيارات للوجبات السريعة.
There are many options for fast food.
الوجبة الصحية مليئة بالعناصر المختلفة.
A healthy meal is full of various ingredients. Let's repeat.
الوجبة الصحية مليئة بالعناصر المختلفة.
A healthy meal is full of various ingredients.
I have learned some words and sentences related to food. Now, let's move on to exercise. What is the Arabic word for exercise or workout?
Exercise or workout in Arabic is.
تمرين.
Let's repeat.
تمرين.
Got it. And how do you say I spend my time exercising in Arabic?
To say I spend my time exercising in Arabic, we say
أقضي وقتي بالتمرين.
Let's repeat.
أقضي وقتي بالتمرين.
I spend my time exercising.
Okay, got it. How do you say I shower in Arabic?
أتحمم.
I shower. Let's repeat.
أتحمم.
And how do you say I shower every day in Arabic?
أتحمم يومياً.
I shower every day. Let's repeat.
أتحمم يومياً.
Thanks for your help. Learning these words will make it easier for me to communicate in Arabic.
You're welcome. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and using these words in your daily life. If you like this video, share and subscribe for more videos.
مع السلامة.